Stop leaving charms in my court, George warns. Mr. Oshodi gave the warning as the trial of 5 men charged with the murder of one Ifeanyi began. Justice Hakeem Oshodi of Anikeja High Court has warned members of the public to stop leaving charms in his courtroom. Mr. Oshodi gave the warning as the trial of 5 men charged with the murder of one Ifeanyi Etunmuse began. No one should leave charms in my courtroom. It should not be repeated. A talesman was found after the last adjourned date in the murder case, he said. The judge, who referred to the charm as property, warned the courtroom audience. Do not leave your property here again. It does not work anymore. The news agency of Nigeria reports that the Lagos state government brought charges against the 5 suspects: Atunrase Omolabi, Shitu Olawale, Oleide Opeifa, and Oluwaju Adebiyi aka Maja, and Jamiu aka Orobo. They were charged with attempted murder and murder of Etunmose at Western Funeral Home, Ijede, Ikorodu. Earlier in the trial, the defense counsel continued with the cross-examination of the prosecution witness, Babatunde Olayinka. Olarenwaje Ajanuku, the lead defense counsel to the first, second and third defendants, and later on the 5th defendant, asked Mr. Olayinka if he could say that the defendant had a hand in the attack on the deceased. He also asked him if he was able to get a view of the compound of the local politicians and funeral services businessman Oluwatosin Onamade from his hiding place following the alleged attack. The witness told the court that he hid himself in the cemetery and lay down for a while to hide himself from a group of men that he saw wielding machetes at the Onamade compound on the day of the incident, which is on the 16th of April 2021. Mr. Ajanuku asked the witness, "Can you say emphatically that the first, the second, the third, and 5th defendant had anything to do with the body you saw?" The witness replied that he could not say emphatically that the defendants had anything to do with the body. Defense counsel to the 4 defendants, Muhammadu Adesina, continued with the cross-examination of the prosecution witness and questioned him on whether he had told the court earlier that Femi Onamade, a relative of Oluwatosin Onamade, was the one who knew the defendants in person. Mr. Olayinka affirmed that it was Femi who knew the defendants and Oluwatosin who could identify them. The prosecution counsel, MT Adewoye, re-examined the witness and asked him to clarify what he meant when he told the court earlier that he could not identify the defendants. Mr. Olayinka told the court that he indeed saw the machete-wielding men when they came into the compound. Mr. Adewoye also requested the court to issue a witness summons for Femi Onamade to appear in court. The judge then issued a witness summons for Femi Onamade. The judge adjourned the matter until 19th February 2024 for the continuation of trial. On a previous court hearing on the 6th of April, the prosecution had also alleged that the suspects also cut off the wrist of Femi Onamade the younger brother of Tosin Onamade. We should also recall that no fewer than 3 persons were allegedly attacked by yet to be identified individuals in Degri, Balanga local government area of Gombe State. The victims who were attacked on Saturday include a judge of the Upper Area Court 3, Ayuba Buba Dallas, Barrister Usman Yahaya, and a court staff. Our correspondents also gathered that the court usually conducts a physical assessment of issues relating to land disputes to ascertain the cause of conflict. However, Buba Dallas embarked on the tour to take the land measurement to ascertain the rights of the parties before it. An eyewitness who also narrated the ordeal of the trio said they were attacked by villagers upon sighting the team. And according to the source who begged for anonymity, they went to a locus in Degri, Balanga local government area to ascertain the true owner of the land. It was then the people in the village attacked them with weapons. The Nigerian Bar Association Gombe State branch, through its publicity secretary Bashir Abdullahi, confirmed the incident. Good morning, distinguished Learning 6 seniors and colleagues. This is to notify the esteemed members of the Jújû Bar that there will be a visit to His Honor Ayuba Buba Dallas, UAC 3 Judge, and Usman Yahaya Esquire over a sad incident that happened to them yesterday while on a visit to a locus at Degri. Abdullahi's statement partly reads: the persons they are going to visit, which one is Ayuba Babadalas, is a judge of the Upper Area Court 3, resides in Degri, Balanga local government area of Gombe State, and Barrister Usman Yahya, a court staff who also works with the judge,